Hey guys, how are you and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your app, your Sketchware built app with the IoT or you can say like the Arduino and measure the distance via the ultrasonic sensor and send the data to your app again. This video is going to be very interesting, so stay tuned to watch the whole video to understand the concept, how you can also do this at your own home. Okay, so before beginning with this video, I just wanted to say you one thing, that I have lost my laptop in my college and I don't have enough money to buy another laptop for my for the YouTube and all of the stuff. So if you guys could help me out with this, and I'll be so thankful to you guys. I don't want you to donate a whole lot of money to me, but $1 or $2 might be a lot appreciated. And if you guys have been donated to me, then thank you a lot for them. Now without wasting any further time, let's get started with the video. Arduino software. Okay, so the web page of Arduino, and right here what you need to do is you need to download the software, which is available right here for the downloads. And the software is around here. Okay, look right here, it's for Windows. I'm having a Windows PC, so I'll just go for this. If you have a Mac or Linux, you have these options right here, so click on this button and then install this. Once you install this, once you remove it from the zip, you'll see like this, and then open this. Okay, so let it open. So now what you need to do is, this is the ultrasonic program which I have programmed already. So if you want, I'll just provide the program text in the description below. Do check it out. And then after you upload this, once you upload this, remember, only after you upload this, then you need to go to the section of connecting the parts. Okay, so this is the solar panel. This right here is the solar panel. This is the ultrasonic sensor. This is the HC05 Bluetooth module, and this is the Arduino Nano. You can use any. Okay, so if you want to program this for Arduino Nano, then what you need to change is this. If you have a Uno, click on this. If you have a Nano, click on this. And if the program doesn't load, click on old bootloader. Try this as well as this. You don't know which might work for you. Okay, so try both of this. Then after you do that, come on here. Now it's time for connecting the parts. Okay, so connect the TX pin to the RX pin. All right, just like that. Okay, alright, now the RX pin to the TX pin. Alright, just like that. Very cool. Cool. You've got this. Now let's change the color of this. Okay, so, and let's also change the color of this. Let's give it a yellow color. Alright, now this is the TX and RX pin. Once you program this, you need to connect these two parts. Then the time for the ground pin. Okay, ground from here to the ground of the Arduino. Okay, arrange this thing properly, bring it a bit. Alright, get it? Now change the color of this to maybe red. No, maybe black. Okay, black will look good. There's a black color. We don't have black. Okay, Okay, it's fine. Let's put it gray, and now let's connect the VCC, that is the 5-volt pin, to the 5-volt pin right here, and let's just make some arrangements. Right, there you go. Now change the color to red. Okay, so we have connected the Arduino with the HC05 module right here, and now we need to power the Arduino module. Either you power it directly with this port right here, or you could also connect it with a solar panel. Now I'm going to be connecting it to a solar panel, so let me show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to connect the positive terminal to the positive terminal of the solar panel and the ground to the negative terminal of the solar panel. I'm just going to arrange it properly. Alright, cool. And this pin also. Let's change the color to gray. Where's the gray color? Yeah, cool. Now you need to also connect this thing. Okay, so VCC with the VCC, that is a 5-volt pin. Alright, so get a red color and just pin this to a 5-volt supply right here. Okay, just like that, and change the color to red. Alright, and now the trigger pin, let's check where to pin the trigger pin to the 3 of the Arduino, and then let's pin trigger to the 3. 3 is right here, and the echo pin to the 7th. Okay, echo pin to the 7th. Now let's change the color so as not to get a confusion. And arc. Alright, so alright, cool. We've got this. Yeah, so we have connected this. Okay, so it's now looking good. So let's just, yeah, now it's looking good. And lastly, we need to connect the ground pin to the ground pin. It's available right here, so let's just connect it to the ground pin right here. Okay, right here. Okay, cool. Now let's connect this with the gray color. Now that's all for the connection of this module. Look at this connection properly. I'll just provide the photo for this. Pause the video and just get this. Okay, so and now let's move on to the app section. Okay, so now when you just put the whole module in the solar, for this condition it is connected to the solar panel, or else you can just connect it with the power supply of 5-volt, of max 5-volt. Okay, when you connect this, you would see that this circuit begins to work. Okay, so to collect the data, let's move on to the part 2. Now let's create a new app named IoT app. Create it, and then go to the main page, go into the Bluetooth section, type in any name for the component. I'm typing out the BT name, and then go into it and click on data received. Okay, so you have it right here. But firstly, what you need to do is you need to connect. Okay, you need to connect to an address, and then set start connection with tag. Okay, so let me just get if I could think. Yeah, you also need to load this. Okay, so after that you need to connect this. You just put an if command in here, simple method to solve it. Okay, loading. If else block, and if Bluetooth is not activated, it will do this, but if Bluetooth is activated, it will directly go to this. Okay, and now let me see if I'm having that thing. Yeah, I'm having it. Okay, so this is the address of my Bluetooth device, that is HC05, which is connected to the Arduino. Now how to get this? You just need to pair with the device, and after you pair with the device, download my app, which is there in the tags up there. Okay, so click on the tag above, okay, to get the app. Now let me show you how to get that thing. Okay, so you have this app BTC, download it and open it, and when you open this, you see this BT home control right there. Okay, once you see this, click on it, and once you click it, you have this thing. Copy this, paste it. Okay, paste it right here, and once you paste it, connect it with a tag A. I prefer a tag A. You can prefer anything that you like. Okay, so this is done. Now firstly we need to add a timer component. Okay, so timer, and then click on the timer settings. Alright, now the timer is on, and now what you need to do is on data received, I actually wanted to print it like somewhat right here. Okay, so on data receive, I want to print it set text. Okay, data. Alright, so the data that is being captured will be printed right here. This is data capture, and this is the printed value. Now actually what you need to do is just run this command and you'll be done. Okay, so if it is, let's do two more things, not this, but actually connection error. Okay, so on connected, toast, yes, connected, and on not connected, just print out something like error. Okay, let's save this, and now let's try to run this. Okay, now it's trying to connect to the device. Now it's giving me an error. Let's try to connect it again. It's here, and now it got connected. See, I'm getting the data from my ultrasonic sensor. Now there's a problem in my Bluetooth device that it sends 1 and 1 centimeter separately, and sometimes it sends it continuously. So the data, that is the distance is 11 centimeters, okay, from the sensor to the object. So that's all that I wanted to tell you in this video. Now if you do want me to create another video for showing you the process how I made the sensor to get the tank info, the water info that is stored in my house. And so all you need to do is just subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment down in below that you want this video. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you liked it, and peace until next time.